up, chin up. Exhale, slowly drop your chin, look down. Now inhale, look up. Exhale, drop your chin, look down. Now inhale, slowly look up. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, keep your spine straight. 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, slowly drop your chin, look down. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly rotate your neck clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anti-clockwise, reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Look forward. Now from here, slowly inhale, raise your both hands, look up. Exhale, slowly drop your palm, look down. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, drop your both palm, look down. Now inhale, raise your both hands, stretch your arm. Exhale, slowly drop your palm, look down. Now inhale up. Exhale, slowly drop palm. Now inhale. Exhale, down. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Hold, stay up. Stretch your arm, stretch your shoulder, look up. 1, 2, keep normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm, look down. Hold. 1, 2, keep normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from here, slowly look forward, take your both hand front side. Now inhale, open your hand, open your chest, look up. Exhale, take your both hand front side, look down. Now inhale, open your hand. Exhale, front side, squeeze your belly. Now inhale. Exhale, slowly look down, squeeze your belly. Now inhale, open your chest. Exhale, drop your chin, look down. Now inhale, open your chest, open your hand, look up. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, slowly take your both hand front side, look down. Hold, stay up. Squeeze your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from here, look forward and slowly interlock your finger. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly bend your body left side. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, come center. Exhale, slowly bend your body right side. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, keep normal breathing. 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, come center. Exhale, slowly take your left hand back side, bend your elbow and slowly bend your body left side. Hold. 1, 2, 3, keep your right hand straight. 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, lift your left hand. Exhale, slowly change your hand, bend your body right side. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly twist your body left side. Look at your left side. Now inhale, come center. Exhale, right side. Open your chest. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, left side. Now inhale. Exhale, slowly right side. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly twist your body left side. Look back. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Open your chest. 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, come center. Exhale, right side. Open your chest, open your shoulder, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale from here. Slowly take your both hands behind your back, interlock your finger. Now inhale, look up. Exhale, slowly turn your body left side, drop your forehead and slowly lift your both hands. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, slowly look up, your head up. Exhale, slowly change your side, drop your forehead right side, lift your hand, hold. 1, 2, keep normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale one more time, your head up, look up, hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, keep your both hands straight. 4, 5, 6. Exhale, slowly drop your forehead front side and go forward. Hold, stay up. 1. Try to lift your both hands. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, slowly raise your both hands, look forward and exhale. Slowly drop your both palm one more time behind your back. Now from here, slowly keep your both hands straight and open your chest, open your shoulder, look up. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands, look forward. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm front side, bend forward. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, keep normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, drop your both palm, relax here. Take your both leg front side, shake your leg, shake your hand, relax. Now from here, slowly take your both feet together, look forward. Now inhale, raise your both hands and exhale, drop your both palm front side, bend forward, touch your forehead on your knee. Now inhale, raise your both hands, exhale, slowly go forward, keep your leg straight. Now inhale, raise your both hands, exhale, slowly drop your both palm front side, hold, stay up, bend forward, hold. 1, 2, keep normal breathing. 3, 4, keep your leg straight. 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly take your both hands behind your back, interlock your finger, look up, open your chest. And exhale, slowly bend forward, touch your forehead on your knee. Now inhale, slowly look up, keep your both hands straight. Exhale, slowly drop your forehead, bend forward, keep your leg straight. Now inhale, look up. Exhale, slowly go forward. Now inhale one more time, look up. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Now inhale, look up, open your chest, keep your both hands straight and slowly look up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, slowly go forward. Hold, stay. Try to touch your forehead on your knee. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Keep your both legs straight. 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands, look forward and exhale, slowly drop your left arm left side, side bending, look up, hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, lift your left palm, exhale, drop your right palm right side and slowly look up, hold. 1, 2, keep normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, lift your right palm and exhale. Now from here, slowly drop your right palm left side and catch your right foot from your left palm and slowly look up. Open your chest, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly change your side. Catch your left foot from your right palm. Look up. Hold. Stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, drop your both palm. Relax here. Now from here, slowly take your both feet together and slowly bend your right leg. Keep your left leg straight. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm front side. Bend forward. Hold. Stay up. 1, 2. Keep normal breathing. 3. Keep your left leg straight. 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly drop your right palm behind your hip and slowly lift your hip up. Open your chest. Hold. Stay up. 1, 2. Keep normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly drop your hip. Inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm right side. Hold. Stay up. 1, 2. Keep normal breathing. Keep your both hands straight. 3. Keep your left leg straight. 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly catch your left leg from your right palm and slowly lift your leg. Look back. Hold. 1, 2. Look at your left palm. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly drop your leg. Inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm behind your hip. One more time. Slowly lift your hip up. Open your shoulder, open your chest. Hold. 1, 2. Keep normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly drop your hip. Inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly turn your body right side. Drop your both palm behind your hip and slowly drop your forehead. Hold. Stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm. Relax here. Now from here, slowly change your leg. Bend your left leg. Keep your right leg straight. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm front side. Bend forward. Hold. 1, 2. Keep normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly drop your left palm behind your hip and slowly lift your hip up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly drop your hip. Inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, drop your both palm left side. Hold. Stay up. 1, 2. Keep normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands and exhale. Slowly catch your right leg from your left palm and slowly look back. Lift your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep normal breathing. 5, 6. Now slowly drop your leg. Inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm behind your hip and slowly lift your hip up. Keep your both hands straight. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly drop your hip. Inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly turn your body left side. Drop your both palm behind your hip and slowly drop your forehead. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm. Relax here. Shake your leg.